Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the great state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. As I come to you today with another topic, we're going to talk about Bitcoin today. Yes, cryptocurrency. This video will focus on Bitcoin. We'll dive into what to do with your Bitcoin for estate planning. But before we go there, if you want to ask any questions, you want to strategize on your estate planning, you can contact me at njestateattorney.com. So, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been the trend the last, 5-6 years, I guess, since it started. It's becoming more and more prevalent, especially with the younger generation, especially with the with clients today. I know there were a bunch of you that bought Bitcoin when it started or bought in at the basement, and now things are great. I don't own Bitcoin, sorry to say, but this was a question that came to me. Actually, I was sitting. It wasn't really from a client, but it was from a friend of mine who owns Bitcoin, and we were out having a beer together. So I thought, you know what? This is actually kind of relevant to talk to the people about. Let's jump right in. So, after doing some more research, Bitcoin is interesting. So, it's not like a retirement account. It's not like a stock. It's treated like a commodity. And what I mean by that is it's more like if you're trading gasoline or corn or wheat prices rather than a stock. It's very volatile. It can switch. Prices can change minute to minute, hour to hour, second to second. So that makes it really interesting because you will have to pay a capital gains tax on it. So, for example, if you bought Bitcoin at, let's say, $10 and it's now $100, you have to pay, and you sold your Bitcoin at $100, you would pay a capital gains tax on that $90. But here's where it gets intriguing. So when you're digging around about Bitcoin, and there's multiple websites out there that can give you more and more information, but Bitcoin doesn't allow you to name a beneficiary. So there's no named beneficiaries like there would be on a retirement account, 401k, or pension. And they won't allow you to do this. So basically their concept is the only way to transfer Bitcoin is through your will, which kind of hurts you in a way because now it's in the probate process. And that's an additional cost. It doesn't pass outside of probate, so now you're paying for this, which kind of sucks in some ways. So it's kind of cool though, because with Bitcoin, you get that step up status. So it's kind of like real estate. If you paid $10 and let's say now you put the Bitcoin in your will, and your child gets it and it's valued at $100, the step up, your child is, or beneficiary, is not paying a tax on that $90 increase. Their base starts at 100, so they're at 0 on the tax. So now, excuse me, if it goes up, they're only paying from their base of 100 on the way up on the tax. They're not paying any tax on that $90 increase. That's pretty cool that they do that. The other interesting thing about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general is your power of attorneys should specifically say to control Bitcoin, Dogecoin, or the cryptocurrencies. So if your attorney in fact needs to withdraw that money, they have the power to in your power of attorney. That's something that you should definitely be placing in your power of attorney. It should almost be standard in today's world. I know it's standard in my power of attorneys, so just throwing that out there. That's something you should definitely look towards, and definitely ask your attorney about. So, but Bitcoin is this, it's very interesting. And the only other way that you could transfer Bitcoin, though, is via a trust. And if you put the Bitcoin in a trust, it's kind of like putting another account in there. Any other types of accounts that you would add into your trust, the trust would have to manage it, and they would have to act like a prudent investor. So you have two ways with Bitcoin. Unfortunately, you can't just name a direct beneficiary. You have to go through the probate process or handle a trust. Make sure your power of attorney does state powers to govern or withdraw and deposit into cryptocurrency. So, I mean, this is pretty cool. It's going to be revolutionary. Remember, Bitcoin is subject to federal and state laws as well. And things are always changing. But, you know, this is kind of exciting. It's kind of a new age thing that we're all interested in. So, yeah. Get on it if you're not in it. But talk to your attorney. Make sure your plan works for you. As always, I'm David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the great state of New Jersey. If you have any questions regarding Bitcoin or this topic or any other estate planning topic, want to set up a strategy session with me, please go to njestateattorney.com and schedule a meeting with me right away. If you found this video informative in any way, please smash the like button. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to our YouTube page or our Facebook page. We're putting out new content daily. If you know someone that this video may help, share it with them. Tell them you were thinking about them. So, anyway, guys, thanks for listening. Remember, Bitcoin they're only allowing you to pass it in through your will or in a trust right now, and have your power of attorney mention cryptocurrency. Have a good one.